I would like to explain how our new device for automatic regulation of height difference works. So the purpose is to maintain a constant height between a drainage from a patient to the outlet of the drainage. If the height is too high, the pressure in the patient's head will be too high, and if the drainage is too low in comparison to the position of the patient's head, the pressure inside the head will be too low. So how to maintain this constant difference in vertical height is by applying a second tubing which is filled with a liquid, in this case water, and which in each end contains a absolute pressure sensor. One here and one just close to the drainage. So if the first end of this tubing is placed at the height of the patient's head, this machinery will, when started, maintain a constant height between the patient's head and the outlet of the drainage. Let me demonstrate. The patient comes down and the outlet of the drainage follows. And this automatic regulation of the height, the difference in height between the patient's head and the outlet of the drainage, is accomplished by a microcomputer which senses the pressure at this end of the tubing and at this end of the tubing at the same time. And the microcomputer is then of course connected to a motor which pulls the outlet drainage to the height which it has been set to maintain.